Today we're going to install new developer into a new developing unit. First step is to remove the cap from the end and place it on the PCDU cover. Then we'll remove the two screws to separate the drum from the developing unit.
And a reminder, this is on a D129 series product.
Rotate the drum. Now we will remove the developing cylinder cover, 2E clips. Now we remove the developing cylinder unit. We rotate upward and then lift upward. Now we will add the developer. Dump about 1/3 of the developer into the unit and then rotate the end gear. Then continue this process until the developing bag is empty. You will also want to keep the developing bag. It will have an embossed number on the top. You'll need to install or input this number into the SP modes. Now we will place the developing cylinder back into position. Then the developing cover. Install the two clips. Rotate the drum back to the original position. Install the two screws. And then put the end cap back into the original position. At this point, it is ready to be installed in the machine, and you would have to follow the instructions for initialization.
Thank you for your attention.